Hey, long time no see.
Yeah, too long. Have you been?
Honestly, tired, burned out, mostly because of English.
English? What happened?
I've been learning for years, taking courses, watching videos, memorizing words, but when someone speaks to me in English, I freeze. I can't respond, and it's humiliating.
I know that feeling. I used to feel the exact same way. Like I was carrying a dictionary inside my head, but couldn't form a single sentence out loud.
Yeah. It's like I know the answer, but I'm locked inside. And everyone else is just fluent, effortless. Meanwhile, I'm standing there sounding like a broken robot.
You're not the problem. Your method is. You were taught to memorize, not to use. Taught to pass tests, not to communicate.
That's exactly how it feels. Like I passed all the classes, but failed real life.
Because school teaches you what English is, but not how to live in it. And if you don't live in the language, you'll never breathe it naturally.
So, what did you do? How did you go from frozen to fluent? I threw away the grammar book, at least for a while. I stopped trying to sound perfect, and I started listening like a child. Listening? That's it? Not just listening, deep listening, repeating, feeling. Think about it. How do babies learn language? They hear it for thousands of hours. They don't know what present perfect is. They just hear, "I've been waiting for you," again and again. And then one day, they say it. So, you're saying I need to stop chasing rules? And start chasing rhythm, sound, emotion. Because English isn't something you memorize. It's something you catch, something you feel in your mouth. But I spent so long on grammar, drilling tenses, filling in blanks. I thought I was making progress. And maybe you were, on paper, but speaking isn't about paper. Speaking is about flow, reflex, emotion, repetition. If you want to speak, you have to train your mouth, not just your memory. I feel like I wasted years. No, you didn't waste anything. You survived. And now you get to rebuild smarter. You get to start right. Start right? Huh. Yes. Start by listening to real conversations, not just textbook actors. Start by shadowing voices, repeating what you hear, even if it feels silly, even if you stutter. You speak badly until you speak well. That feels different, more human, less robotic. Exactly. Language is sound and rhythm before it's grammar. It's emotion before it's structure. You've been trying to build sentences like machines. Now it's time to speak like a person. It's scary, but it makes sense. And this time, you won't do it alone. Okay, let's say I start listening more. How do I know what to listen to? I mean, there's so much out there. Great question. Start simple. Real-life conversations. TV shows, YouTube vlogs, podcasts where people talk like real people, not actors reading from a script. But what if I don't understand most of it? That's fine. At first, you just absorb the music of the language, the rhythm, the pauses, the emotions. Then, listen again. Pause, repeat, mimic, line by line, word by word. You're not just learning English, you're training your mouth to move differently. That sounds more like singing than studying. Exactly. It's muscle memory, not just brain memory. When your tongue knows what to do, your brain follows. So, I should be shadowing native speakers.
Yes, shadow them like an actor learning a role. Don't worry if you get it wrong at first. This isn't school. You don't need a red mark. You need repetition.
And grammar?
You'll still learn it, but now it'll make sense because you've already heard it alive. You won't learn present continuous from a chart. You'll hear someone say, "I'm working on it," and your brain will go, "Ah, that's what that is."
So, grammar becomes the explanation, not the starting point.
Exactly. Grammar is the label you stick on something after it lives in your ear.
That changes everything. I always thought I had to understand before I used it. Now you're saying I can use it to understand.
That's how you learned your first language. That's how babies do it. Why should English be any different?
I've been learning for so long, but I've never really spoken.
Then it's time to start speaking, even if it's messy, even if it's clumsy, even if no one listens at first. Because the truth is, fluency doesn't come to the smartest person. It comes to the one who doesn't stop speaking.
So I just speak badly until I speak better?
Exactly. You fail forward. You learn out loud.
I think I needed to hear this more than anything.
I know, because I needed to hear it too, years ago, and no one told me. So now, I'm telling you.
Thank you. I mean that.
You're not broken. You're not too late. You're just getting started, finally, on the right path.
No more grammar books first. No more fear. No more silence.
No more silence.
All right then. What do I do tomorrow morning?
You wake up, you put on your headphones, you listen to 5 minutes of real English. You repeat one sentence until it feels like yours. Then you say it out loud, once, twice, 10 times. You make mistakes and you keep going.
And the day after?
You do it again and again until one day you hear someone ask, "Do you speak English?" And without thinking, you smile and say, "Yes, I do."
Yes, I do.